Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January 27, 2021, and here we are. We're going to give you all a price prediction for Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation. APXT is the ticker symbol. You know, I know this particular SPAC is getting a lot of traction lately, so we felt we'll come in and go ahead and give you all a prediction as to where price is anticipated to go. Now, if you guys appreciate that, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to this particular channel, because we're going to continue to give you all heads up as to where the price is anticipated to go, so that we all can get in position and profit. That's it. Now, one of the things we do here on this particular channel is we focus in on the trap. It is someone that has no name, he has no presence, no body, so we had to create someone, and he's the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. That's all we do. We simply focus in on what he does. He moves the market. It is his whole purpose to bring together buyers and sellers. So every price bar you see, every volume bar you see is his traction, is his breadcrumbs as to what he's trying to do into the market, as to continue to make this a market for us. So we have to follow what he does. We need to pay attention to what occurs at certain price levels and what does not occur. Because once you're able to do that, you can actually profit right alongside with him, because you're going to beat him right there to the position that he's trying to take the price. So we're going to show you all that today on Apex Technology. And the first thing we want to do is look at the market overall. So I got the chart zoomed out, right? I want to look at everything so far in terms of where we've been and where we anticipated to go, right? So looking at Apex, you all can see that the market is making higher lows. So what I mean by higher lows is that, let me show you, okay, real quick. So looking here, this is the first low into the market in Apex Technology. And if I was to draw this line, you can see here that he has been bouncing the price on this line, making higher lows into the market. And every time the trap comes and touches this line, look at the reaction. Shoots higher, come back down, shoots higher, come back down. So the expectation automatically for us would be, okay, we're right back here on this ascending line right now. What would be your thought process? You will be expecting the market to go higher in price, right? Okay, we got that. So we're going to continue to follow that same notion, right? Unless he shows us something totally different that is not being seen on the past two times that he came and propped up this market, okay? So you can already tell that the market is up there around $15.43 pre-market. So that already lets us know that he's trying to prop this market up on this ascending line, which is positive. We needed to see that in order for us to see this price go higher. Because if anything, the best opportunity to come into the market and buy APXT was on this ascending line, and that came in yesterday on the close. This was the best opportunity to come into the market and buy it. Now we're seeing the market trade around 15.43. Okay, this is the worst time to buy the market in APXT, around $17.80. So we're at a good location to come to the market and purchase up some of these shares of this particular SPAC. Let's look at the market on the 2-day time frame. So looking at APXT on the 2-day time frame, it is weak. The only thing that is able to prop up this market is this line. That's it. There is no strength at all over the last 4 2-day price bars that would insinuate that this market in APXT is strong. Nothing. The only thing that substantiates that the market is maintaining its strength is how the price is trading above that line. That's it. What about on the 3-day time frame? So looking at APXT on the 3-day time frame, the market here is weak too. There is no strength seen here neither. What about on the 5-day? The market currently is weak. Now on the 5-day, I can see the market coming down to around $14.65 to $14.50. I can see that. Okay. on the weekly time frame, we have 2 days and 10 hours left. Now I'll tell you, if today was the last day of this weekly price bar that is currently being formed and the market was down here, I will still be expecting the price to go lower. If I were to take a snapshot right now, I will be expecting APXT to go lower, right? But since we got 2 days and 10 hours left, the market is not complete. We can actually end up towards the high on the conclusion of this weekly price bar. So we're not being too dependent onto the market right now from a weekly basis, but just looking at the market on the weekly time frame still shows us that generally this market in APXT is weak. Okay, so what we're going to do on this particular forecast is that we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market. Okay, now the only thing that would invalidate this forecast is, like I told you, this is going to be the third opportunity for the trap to come in and prop up this market in APXT. You guys can already see that we're right here around $15.43. We need to see price really break up above 16 cents to see that strength really coming to the market. Okay, you can see that a little bit better on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see here that that is where the restriction area lies. Okay, right there. So we're going to pay attention to the market in APXT. That would be the only thing that would make our forecast void, is to see that price break up above $16. Okay. Now, where will you expect the market to come in and grab some support, or where will you expect the trap to step in and prop the market up and stop it from falling? We'll say around $14.50 to 14, which is not that far from where the market closed, right? So that's about 3.59% to $14. It's about 6.9. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move the market to where the pre-market is, which is around 1543. And we're still going to expect the market to try to tag out around 1450. Okay, so that would be about 6%. And then down to 14 will be about 9.3. Okay. And we're going to increase the restriction area towards $16.40. And that's it. Okay. You know what? I'm going to keep it to where the market closed, even though the pre-market is up there around $15.43. Because I don't want to cause no confusion on the layout. So this is it. We're in position. We got ideas to what we expect the trap to do over the next couple of trading days for APXT. It's your turn. What do you all think? Do you think the market is weak? Do you think the market is strong? Like I told you, the only thing that is propping this particular stock up is this ascending line. And once that breaks, then it's going to come down to $14.50 or even 14. Okay. So now it's your turn. There's a comment section on this video. Let us know, where do you think the market in APXT is headed? I would say in the next week, next 4 to 5 trading days. Where do you see price being? Because you need to get in a position. Everyone needs to make sure that they're in position to capitalize on his movements. So let everyone else know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go trade different.